right, people, listen up. We're being joined by Special Agent Lamar from the Bureau's Regional Field Office. The FBI is going to be assisting us with this investigation.
Thank you. Okay. Within the next few hours, your desks are going to be flooded with data. Much of it, inevitably, false. You're also going to hear a lot of opinions. But opinions never caught anyone. So it's important to keep certain preconceptions in mind while classifying evidence. 1, mass murderers want to get caught. Well, this one doesn't. 29 victims. Every shot found its mark. No casings, no brass, not a single stray hair or fingerprint. This guy's thorough. He didn't come here to die, and he does not want to be found. We're gonna disappoint him.